Okay, guys. So basically, today we'll be what the hell? We'll be showing you Electro Furnace Blimp Queen Walk. So here's the army. Yeah, let's get right into it. So start with the queen in the corner, activate the ability instantly, and then never mind. Actually, no. Do mind. Always mind. Nope. And then place your 2 healers. Now you have the queen walk down there. And just leave that alone. Test for air traps with your balloons. And place your dragons in a straight line along with your blimp, king, ward, and minion prince. And activate the ability. And place earthquakes to damage the area. And once it reaches the town, use invisibility and clouds. The fire switch is just, jump on surrounding buildings. And leave a little bit of time between your first and second invisibility spell in case you want to, jump on the town hall and or eagle. Or no, not the eagle, because not all bases have it there, but just want to jump on the town hall or surrounding buildings. Just put a little bit of pause between the first and second. Whatever you call it. And yeah. And from then on, your switch should do the work. Wow. So yeah, I used a Phoenix with the Vamp stash to see if it would, while it's in its last little moment of, if it would heal up, but nope, it doesn't. And yeah, these archers snipe outside buildings. Yeah, that's it. Now we'll talk about the hero abilities. So, the king ability, you use it when there's high health buildings and only the king. And then the queen ability, like we said, use it instantly. Minion Prince uses ability when there's a bunch of defenses grouped together, and then use a dark orb, and then it should slow them down. And then finally, the ward ability. We already went over that. Use it after you deployed most of your troops and the blimp is still in the aura. Use it then, and then you should, get a decent percentage. Yeah, that's it. So I'll see you next video, which is probably getting released at the same exact time as this video. So yeah, I'll just go watch it. I'll put a card somewhere in this video.